This week, we've got many Metaverse projects looking rather green as we see the 7-day percentage, some are up even 30%, 28%, and others at least still over the 5 and 10% mark. So the Metaverse projects are getting a nice bounce at the time of speaking in this video. So today we're going to check out the SANDBOX subscriber requested video. So guys, if you do want to actually make suggestions, do just leave a comment down below. I will listen and have a look at the feedback and see if the coin is worth checking out or not. So thanks to Guru Writer for actually putting through this request here. The SANDBOX rank 45, a 7.48% pump on this daily time frame. So we've retrieved that $1 billion market cap. It is looking fairly nice to see this, but retrospectively speaking, we are still down significantly, and 1 billion on the market cap is just a complete little pixel piece of crypto dust right now, because we were all the way up to 7.5 billion. So really we're looking quite undervalued, but the fact we're holding 1 billion during a bear market cycle is still pretty good. And this is the most sensitive area, the bear market. How can we take advantage of the bear market? Well, we're going to look at that in this video today to help us time our entries on cryptocurrency. So 1 million followers. SANDBOX is a virtual gaming world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences. As you can see, they're still doing a lot with their social networking, their Twitter. They're still expanding their NFT networks and things like that. So you can say they've got play to earn contests, keeping people engaged, longevity and lifetime value is very important. So crypto today, we're looking not bad. ETH is up 9%, Bitcoin is up 5.6%. We're getting a lot of green in the market. ADA's looking nice, Solana is up really nicely. We've got Matic and Link as well doing very good as we slowly enter an alt season. We're just sitting at 29 at the moment. Bitcoin season is still very much dominant, but altcoins are starting to move at the time of speaking once again. So what I'm seeing with SANDBOX today is that we actually come down to these key levels. Of course, 13th of June, we had a 200-week moving average Bitcoin plummet. Now, why was that bullish? In the sense for, why can we accumulate at these levels? Well, we're back down to the levels that we saw in March 2021, as well as the summer of 2021, where we had lots of consolidation and accumulation. Of course, the next leg down from this particular area will be around here, but it's difficult to speculate that's entirely going to happen as we do approach that bottom for Bitcoin more and more and more. So far for SANDBOX, we have seen a very, very big correction, to be honest. It has been a 90% correction, but it does leave you wondering, is there room for more? Looking at a total of a 97% correction for SANDBOX, because it wouldn't be unheard of that cryptos can move down this low. So trading volume at the moment, we've got the first green weekly candle in there for a while. The 20-day moving average was still extremely underextended on that weekly chart. So again, when you're underextended, it's a good time to effectively get accumulating. We're still underextended as well on the daily time frame. So I'm just going to move some drawings here that we don't really need them anymore. What I'm seeing is obviously we had a big falling wedge, and now we're getting some consolidation at these lower levels. On the 4-hour time frame as well, we're getting some more consolidation. I would be looking at this particular double bottom pattern that we put through. Unfortunately, we didn't actually get continuation to the upside. We were rejected at the neckline, so we lost that, but now we're trading back into this position here. So things aren't looking too bad. I'd like to see us get through again this particular channel, which we are trying to at the moment. Let me just join up some of these support levels, which we're trying to at the moment. So we can see this was our bottom from 200-week moving average, but we did actually capitulate further just 2 days ago and put in support around $0.73. So it doesn't look too bad. We're bouncing off the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, so it could be the birth or the inception of a brand new uptrend. Hourly time frame, things are looking all right, putting through lots of higher highs as well as higher lows at the same time. It is starting to, however, remind me a little bit of a rising wedge position or even an ascending channel on this particular time frame. As we can see, the way the things are going, it does look a bit more like an ascending channel. So effectively, it's a bullish chart pattern where we can see continuation to the upside right here. I would expect to see a retest of support around the 0.83 before a bit of continuation to the upside here for SAND on this particular time frame. Of course, we could actually put through a big double bottom reversal wave, or more of a slanted double bottom. If we were to put another swing low and rally, you're actually putting through a slanted double bottom, which would take us through to at least the $1 price level in the next few weeks for SAND. SANDBOX. So it is looking extremely bullish. If we can get back into this ascending channel, horizontal channel, the one that we see right here, that was written in from the 13th of June or the 19th of June. If we can get back into this channel, then things will start looking very nice again. We can start consolidating at levels closer to $1, and maybe then we will see some continuation to the upside here for our friend SANDBOX. So really waiting to see what's going to happen. We can see as well the candle at the moment on the daily time frame. It's the second consecutive green candle. So can we put through a third candle as we start to get out of this negative relative strength index zone, because we're sitting in extreme fear and the selling pressure in the market has been really strong. What I would like to see happen now, because we do have a key area to look at right here, to be honest with you, it's the 0.8744 level. Now it still remains a resistance. And the reason I say it's resistance is because we had so many wicks hitting 0.87 in 2021. So we can still see actually this is a big problem for SANDBOX at the moment. It is fighting against this particular level. And you see we're just back tracing, back steps, one step forward, two step back. We're hitting support, hitting resistance, hitting support, hitting resistance over and over again. So hopefully we can get a bit of buying pressure back through the 0.87 level, and then we can start bouncing off of this trend line here as support as we slowly make our way closer to that $1 level here for SANDBOX cryptocurrency. What do I think can happen for SAND over the next weeks and months? Well, it does sort of depend on what Bitcoin does. I mean, let's quickly have a look at the Bitcoin chart right now today, guys. So we're going to hop into the weekly, put the logarithmic regression on. There we go, that's looking a bit better for me. So we can see we actually lost the 200-week moving average, this blue line, just like we did with the COVID-19 crash, and also the bear market of 2019 following the 2017 and 18 bull run. We can see now we finally actually broke on to almost the green logarithmic regression band, just like we did previously. Now each time we did this, we see continuation to the upside. So we are anticipating a bounce in the market, and hopefully we're going to see at least this $25,000 level marked on this diagonal resistance that we see from the highs that we put through. So we got a nice potential opportunity for a long here on the daily time frame. It looks good. We got a big green candle, lots of accumulation from that $17.5K level. Hopping back to the weekly, however, the logarithmic regression band can still suggest that we can come lower, even seeing the $15,000 level. I would not write that possibility off just yet because crypto is pretty wild. But what we do know is if it's a good time to accumulate Bitcoin, it can still be a very good time to accumulate altcoins, SANDBOX being potentially one of the best ones to buy in the Metaverse space, as well as, of course, the King Bitcoin. So if you want to grab some today, use the link in the description below, navigate down to the comment section, click that link and grab some Metaverse coins or even Bitcoin in the next 5 minutes. It can be done that easily. It's really easy to open yourself an eToro exchange, guys. So I do recommend it as it's one of the safest to hold your crypto on because it's SciSec FCA accredited, as well as fully doxed, audited. As we know, it operates in the United Kingdom and many other countries, so really good security. Logarithmic regression chart on the Bitcoin rainbow. So we can actually see for the first time in forever, we're back down to this beautiful blue zone, which is a buying zone. Boom, basically a fire sale. Yeah, you could say so. Historically looking, every time in the dark blue, basically a fire sale. Unbelievable to see Bitcoin back down to these accumulation levels. Been so long since we've seen this, so I'm bullish. I will be scooping up crypto here and there, adding to the portfolio, looking to sell in 2035, something like that. Remember, fear is our friends around here, guys. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. So far, extreme fear has proved to be a very good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, of course. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to the channel, like, comment, leave suggestions, get yourself into the telegrams, learn to trade and the news and insights so you don't miss out on any juicy crypto news, because we want to help you save time by saving you the time of the day, not having to do the research, and we do it all for you simply like that. So yeah, get yourself into this Discord channel. This is my one right here, no strings attached. We have got a lot of people in here of all levels looking to share profits and basically make some money. Thank you for watching and see you soon.